Many people want to work in the UK. Many people message agents, and many people lose money. Some agents say, "Pay me and I will arrange everything." Some promise jobs. Some promise visa approval. But today, I want to tell you the truth. You do not need an agent to apply for a UK skilled worker visa, but you do need correct information, and you must follow UK government rules exactly. In this video, I will explain everything step by step in very simple way, so even if you are applying for the first time, you can understand. This video is about current visa rules, real process, not rumors, no shortcuts, no guarantees, no fake hope, only real information. Please watch this video till the end, because one small mistake can lead to visa rejection or even a ban. Let's start from the beginning. What is the UK Skilled Worker Visa? The UK Skilled Worker Visa allows non-UK citizens to work legally in the United Kingdom for a licensed UK employer in a skilled job. This visa replaced the old Tier 2 General Work Visa. Important truth: you cannot apply without a job offer. You cannot apply without a sponsor. This visa is job-based, not country-based. Who should apply for this visa? This visa is suitable if you want to work in the UK long-term, you have skills or experience, you are ready to follow legal rules. This visa is not suitable if you want quick money, you want illegal shortcuts, you don't want to search for a job. Basic eligibility requirements. To apply, all of these must be true. 1. You must have a UK job offer. The job must be from a UK employer who is approved by the UK government. Random job offers are not accepted. 2. Employer must be a licensed sponsor. Only companies with a sponsor license can hire foreign workers. The sponsor is registered with UK Home Office, is legally allowed to issue sponsorship. If the company is not licensed, visa will be refused. 3. Job must be on eligible occupation list. UK government has a list of allowed jobs. Examples, not full list: care workers, nurses, doctors, IT professionals, engineers, architects, teachers, certain construction roles. Not every job qualifies. 4. Minimum salary requirement. Usually £26,200 per year or £10.75 per hour. But some jobs allow lower salary: health and care worker roles, shortage occupation jobs, new entrants to job market. Salary must match job code, hours, role level. 5. English language requirement. You must prove English at B1 level. Accepted ways: IELTS for UK VI, other approved SELP tests, degree taught in English, nationality from English-speaking country. Normal IELTS academic is not accepted unless it is UK VI. Biggest truth about agents. Let me be very clear. Agents cannot guarantee visa approval. Agents cannot sell sponsors legally. Agents cannot change UK law. If someone says, "Pay me and I will arrange sponsor," visa guaranteed, no interview, no documents, that is illegal and dangerous. UK government never asks for agent fees. What is a certificate of sponsorship? This is very important. A certificate of sponsorship is an electronic reference number issued by your UK employer, linked to your job offer. It is not a paper certificate. It contains your job title, salary, start date, employer details. Without COS, you cannot apply. How to find a UK sponsor without agent. This is the hardest part, but this is the only legal way. Step 1. Find official sponsor list. Go to gov.uk and search Register of Licensed Sponsors Workers. This list shows company name, location, job categories. Only companies on this list can sponsor you. Step 2, search jobs directly. Apply on company websites, NHS Jobs, Indeed UK, Reed, Total Jobs. Search keywords, skilled worker visa sponsorship available. Step 3, apply honestly. Your CV must match job description, show real experience, no fake certificates. UK employers verify everything. Job offer and COS timeline. Once selected, employer offers job, employer issues COS, you receive COS number. COS validity 3 months. You must apply within this time. Financial requirements. Bank balance. You must show £1,270. Rules, money in your account for 28 continuous days. Statement must be recent. Allowed accounts, personal account, joint account. Borrowed money is risky. Employer covers funds. If your employer agrees to support you, you don't need bank balance. This must be written on COS. English language test details. Approved tests only. IELTS for UK VI, Trinity College London. Minimum level, B1 in all skills. Valid test, usually 2 years. Documents checklist. You usually need passport, COS reference number, English test certificate, bank statement if needed, TB test certificate for some countries. Always check gov.uk for your country. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates, because I bring authentic and real information. Online application process. Step 1, go to gov.uk. Search Apply for Skilled Worker Visa. Step 2, fill online form. You will enter personal details, travel history, job details, COS number. Be honest. Mistakes cause rejection. Step 3, pay fees. Visa fee depends on job type, visa length. Ranges £719 to £1,639, plus immigration health surcharge about £624 per year. Biometrics and submission. After payment, book biometric appointment, fingerprints and photo. Processing time, about 3 weeks, sometimes longer. After visa approval, if approved, you receive visa vignette, travel to UK, collect BRP card. You must work only for sponsor. Follow visa conditions. Common reasons for refusal: fake documents, wrong English test, salary mismatch, fake job offers, incorrect bank balance. One false document can lead to rejection, long ban. Can you change jobs? Yes, but new sponsor required. New visa application required. You cannot work freely. Can you bring family? Yes, you can bring spouse, children. Extra fees apply. How long can you stay? Visa up to 5 years. Can extend. Can apply for settlement later. Settlement depends on salary, time spent, rules at that time. Final honest message. The UK skilled worker visa is real, legal, achievable, but it requires patience, it requires honesty, it requires correct steps. Remember, above fees or money discussed that can be changed. For more accurate figure, visit UK official site. Do not rush. Do not trust shortcuts. Do not risk your future. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share. I share truth, not dreams. I follow rules, not rumors. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another informative visa update. Until then, be happy and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.